Hello everyone. Today we have average problem number 5th. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like SSC, Bank PO, CAT, MAT, GMAT, Railway exam, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The average salary of workers of factory is rupees 6,000, while the average salary of 150 technicians is rupees 12,000, and that of non-technicians is rupees 3,750. Find the total number of workers in the factory. So first of all, let the total number of workers, this is equal to x. Then 6,000x means total salary of the workers 6,000x, this is equal to 150 technicians and average salary 12,000. So total salary of 150 technicians, 150 into 12,000. Now plus, now non-technicians are x minus 150. So x minus 150 and average salary of x minus 150 non-technicians is 3750. This implies 6,000x equal to 18,123,450 plus 3750 minus 562500, and this implies x, here x also, 3750 x. This implies 6,000x minus 3750x. This is equal to 1237500. This implies 2250x equal to 1237500. This implies x equal to 1237500 upon 2250. Now this implies x equal to 550, x equal to 550 means 550. Hence we can say that total number of workers in the factory, this is equal to 550. So our answer is 550. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.